Hi, welcome back to Maria's Kitchen. I'm so excited to do this TikTok hack and I hope it comes out, but I'm going to try my best. And the very first thing you're going to need is, I'm using avocado oil today, salt and pepper. I'm using spinach leaves, just a few, 2 eggs, 1 slice of cheese. You can use any cheese you'd like, 1 tortilla, and I'm using Mission Organic whole wheat soft taco tortillas, and I fried up some bacon. And you'll need 1 pan, and I want to thank Rachel Ray. This is my brand new pan, and I'm going to try it out. Let's see how it works, and I will be back to get started. I'm going to put my pan on a medium, low medium. I'll show you right about there. We don't want it too high. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil. I would say a liberal amount, and we're going to let it heat up here. Meantime, I'm going to get my 2 eggs. I'm going to get a pinch of salt and a pinch of pepper, and I'm going to scramble them well. So I'm going to scramble them up, and we're letting the pan heat up. Before you start this, if you want to use bacon, you don't have to use bacon. You can do a vegetarian version. I'm doing bacon, but you want to fry up your bacon and have it ready. So here we go. Very first thing you're going to do is, let's swirl this around. Try to get the oil in the middle. Put this in there, and you want to get the egg all the way around the edges. Just swirl your pan around, and we're going to leave it there for about 30 seconds. I want to go ahead and drop the tortilla on top of the egg. So we've got the tortilla, we put it right on top of the raw egg on top, and we're going to leave it for about 15 seconds. You can go ahead and lift the bottom and check it, but we'll check it in just a bit. So here we go. I lifted it up and it looked good. We're gonna flip it over, and ooh, look how pretty that looks. And we're just gonna leave it there just till the tortilla browns a little, and then we're gonna take it out, and I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. We're taking it out. You're gonna set it right on the plate here. Turn your flame off. You're gonna put your cheese right here. And you can put any cheese you want. I've got American. I'm gonna put some wonderful, ooh, I love this so much, spinach leaves, just a few. And then I'm gonna put the lovely bacon. You can put no bacon, or you can put Canadian bacon. You can put whatever bacon you want. Oh, look at me, I'm loading it up because I want a lot of bacon. You're going to literally, if you want, you can actually at this point add some salsa. I might add it just to this side because my son is going to eat it, but he doesn't want any of that. So we'll roll it up very nicely, and you're going to keep rolling it, and look how beautiful that is. Then we are going to cut it in half, and I'm going to show you the inside. Come close. Look at that beautiful breakfast sandwich in just a few minutes. Okay, let's try it.
In Romans 3:23, for all have sinned and fallen short of the glory of God. There is no one perfect, no, not one, just God. God forgives our sins and casts our sins into the sea of forgetfulness, to never be remembered or brought up again. Peter asked Jesus, how many times shall we forgive? And Jesus said, 70 times 7. God does no longer count our sins against us. He forgives us and puts us in right standing with God. In Luke 6:28, pray for your enemies, bless those that curse you, and forgive them.